Hi, I'm wondering if you can help me. If you live in the UK and you already have a solar installation, would you mind telling me about the experience with your installer, please? It will only take you a few minutes and you might win a £50 Amazon voucher. Hi there, I'm Gary and welcome back to my channel Gary Does Solar. I'm very humbled that this channel has been able to help so many of you who are looking to get into home solar. I'm told that my videos go a long way to explain the technologies and the equipment involved, solar panels, inverters, batteries, solar diverters, so that when it's time to talk to solar installers, you're sufficiently equipped with knowledge to make informed decisions to get the best outcome for your home. But here's the thing, I get asked one question all the time: which solar installer should I choose? And it's a fair question. With over 1,000 solar installation companies in the UK, picking the wrong one could cost you not only time and stress, but thousands of pounds. The more I was asked this question, the more it made me think, what could I do to help out here? And I figured out that one way I could help is to build an online directory of solar installers across the UK, specifically installers that I would personally be happy to contract with for my own installation. Each installer in the directory would be carefully chosen using a comprehensive set of criteria, and that way it will offer you a selection of trusted professionals who represent the very best of the industry. So with that objective, I needed a plan, and it's actually a 4-part plan. Step 1 was releasing a video on how to choose a good solar installer. Here is that video, which went live a couple of months ago, and if you haven't seen it yet, I've put a link to it in the description. It lays out most of the selection criteria that I'll be using for the directory that I'm building. Step 2 is all about gathering insights into people's experiences with the solar installers they chose for their own installations. And that's exactly what today's video is all about. As I finalise the selection criteria for the directory, there's nothing more valuable than hearing directly from customers about their experiences. And so if you already have solar panels on your property, could I ask for your help, please? I've put together a very quick questionnaire on the Gary Does Solar website, and it would be great if you could take a few minutes to summarise your experience with the company you chose for your installation, even if that experience wasn't ideal. I've placed a link to the questionnaire in the description, but you can also just scan this QR code here and complete the questionnaire on a smartphone or tablet. And by way of incentive, everyone who completes this questionnaire will be in with a chance to win one of 5 £50 Amazon gift vouchers. And don't worry, any information you provide will remain strictly confidential. So what's next in the plan then? Well, there are a further 2 steps. Step 3 is the greatest amount of work. It's the building of the installer directory itself. There's quite a lot of software to be written, but I'm hoping to have the time to do that over the next few weeks. And finally, step 4 is all about reaching out to the installers that I believe will meet the criteria that I've set to see if they're happy to be part of the directory. Now, it's quite a big project for me and there will be some costs involved, but if you'd like to help, there are a few ways that you can support me financially. The first, of course, is by switching to Octopus Energy using my referral code here. I think you know that I regard Octopus as by far the best provider in the UK, and if you use my code, we'll both get £50 credited to our accounts. And thank you to everyone who's switched already using my code. The second way is by signing up to my Patreon. It's low cost and there are many benefits available to you if you join, including exclusive content, regular Q&As, and access to software utilities that I've developed that allow you to model various aspects of your solar setup. And a huge thank you to all my Patreon members. You're not only helping keep this channel running, but you're enabling me to dedicate more and more time to it. Finally, if you're thinking about getting solar, or you'd just like to chat through some solar topics with me directly, I offer a Chat with Gary service, which has helped many of you since its launch a few months ago. Thanks for watching this video. Please could you like and subscribe so that YouTube shows it to many others, and I'm looking forward to hearing about your installation experiences. And good luck with the prize draw. Cheers for now.